card.
Is that your favorite?
That would be big news.
You thought what would be big news?
Well, there seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain avian variety. What are you talking about? Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what? I don't!
Don't you know about the bird? Peter's gonna tell you about the bird.
Oh my God, Peter, are you all right?
All done.